Thanks, Fatma, for highlighting that story. Justice delayed is justice denied. To politics now, when the Linda Mwananchi faction is alleging a plot to attack them and disrupt their planned rallies in Homa Bay County this coming weekend. According to the leaders, the planned disruption is being orchestrated by top Homa Bay and Migori County leaders. The leaders are now asking the Inspector General of Police to move with speed and investigate Governors Gladys Wanga and Ayacko. And as Ian Kitani now details, the Linda Mwananchi Brigade have vowed to continue with their planned rallies.
Following their successful second leg of their Western Kenya tour, the Linda Mwananchi faction is turning its attention to the Nyanza region, with rallies scheduled in Homa Bay County this weekend. However, unlike their Western Kenya tour, there is an alleged plot to deploy goons to disrupt their rallies. The leaders are pointing accusing fingers at Homa Bay Governor Gladys Wanga and her Migori counterpart Ayacko.
Yesterday, there was a meeting held at a place called Genoa Center, which is Governor Wanga's campaign headquarters. That meeting was attended by Governor Wanga, Governor Ochilo, Honorable Kaluma, and an MCA called Ogindo. They are planning to send goons to hide under the charade of voter registration on Sunday near Kabunde airstrip so that they can block us from getting into town from the airstrip.
According to the Linda Mwananchi leaders, the county chiefs should be held to account in case their rallies are disrupted.
The governor of Homa Bay, in her lack of wisdom, has decided to recruit goons to kill her own people in Homa Bay. We went to Bungoma, that hosts the Speaker of National Assembly. There was no goonism organized against us. Nyanza region, that only has 2 cabinet secretaries, are seriously organizing for a bloodbath on Sunday.
The leaders who issued a statement on Wednesday afternoon also called for action by top security chiefs, including CS Kipchumba Murkomen and his principal secretary, Dr. Raymond Omolo.
Even though we are all targeted, they have specifically mentioned Honorable Babu Owino and Governor James Orengo in those audios as people that they really want to do harm to. Douglas Kanja. We already shared the audios with him this morning, informing him that this is what is being planned in Homa Bay. So we are calling upon the IG to come out and protect the innocent lives of Homa Bay people.
Elsewhere in Murang'a County, presidential aspirant and Jubilee Deputy Party Leader Dr. Fred Matiang'i reaffirmed the party's commitment to engage Kenyans countrywide to strengthen its structures.
The temptations of power are not good enough to cause divisions amongst us. They are not good enough to divide us.
Ian Kitani,